So today I'm breaking down whether the Surface Pro 11 is the best 2-in-1 you should buy this coming holiday season. But before we go through specs and features, let me show you something most people never check. If your Windows tablet ever gets slow, freezes, or your apps takes forever to open, there's one hidden feature that fixes it instantly. I'll show you that part in a moment. Now, the Surface Pro 11, this is Microsoft's biggest redesign of the Surface Pro line in years. It uses the new Snapdragon, X Elite, and X Plus chips, which means better battery life, cooler temperatures, and much faster on-device AI features. And here's the part that surprised me the most. The battery actually lasts 10 to 14 hours of real usage, not the usual Surface battery anxiety people are used to. The display is gorgeous, bright, sharp, and extremely responsive. It still snaps to the magnetic keyboard, and yes, the new Flex keyboard finally works, even when it's detached, which is a huge upgrade for people who type in different positions. But here's the transformation moment. The AI tools are actually useful. Real-time video filters, live captions, background noise removal, and instant writing assistance, all running on the device without needing Wi-Fi. Now, that hidden performance setting I mentioned earlier, if your Surface feels slow, go to Settings, System, Power, then enable Performance mode. This removes background limits and makes the tablet feel instantly snappier. So, is the Surface Pro 11 the best 2-in-1 for holiday season? If you want a lightweight computer that replaces a laptop, has long battery life, and gives you real AI features you actually can use, it's one of the top picks this year. If you want a beginner setup guide for Surface Pro 11, drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple US tech reviews.